welcome to English for All, the podcast where we practice real, everyday English together. I'm Roxy.
And I'm John. Really happy you're here with us today. So, Roxy, what are you wearing right now?
That is a great question. I'm wearing a blue jumper and some comfortable jeans. Very casual today.
And that is a perfect introduction, because today we are talking about clothes.
Clothes. What you wear. How you get dressed in the morning. How to describe what someone is wearing. All in simple, natural English.
And here's what's great about this topic. You already wear clothes every single day, so the words are already part of your life. We're just giving you the English names for them.
Exactly. By the end of today, you'll be able to describe your outfit, talk about colors and styles, and say what you like to wear. All in English.
We'll listen, discuss the keywords, and listen again. Every time it gets easier. Every time you get better.
And before we start, if this podcast is helping you learn English, please subscribe to our channel and share it with a friend. It really means a lot to us.
Okay, let's open the wardrobe and get started. All right, let's start with the most common clothes words, the things you wear every day.
First, a t-shirt. A t-shirt is a simple top with short sleeves and no collar. I'm wearing a white t-shirt. He always wears a black t-shirt.
A shirt, a little more formal than a t-shirt. It usually has a collar and buttons. I wear a shirt to work. She's wearing a blue striped shirt.
A jumper. In British English, this is a warm top that you pull over your head. In American English, it's called a sweater. Both words are correct. It's cold today. I'm wearing a cozy jumper.
Trousers, in British English. In American English, you say pants. These are the clothing item that covers your legs. I'm wearing black trousers. He has gray pants.
Jeans. Trousers made from denim, usually blue. Very casual and very popular. I love wearing jeans at the weekend. She's wearing skinny jeans.
A dress, a one-piece item of clothing for women that covers the top and bottom together. She's wearing a beautiful red dress. I need a dress for the party.
A skirt, the bottom part only. I'm wearing a floral skirt today. Floral means it has a flower pattern.
A jacket, an outer layer you wear on top of your clothes. It's chilly outside. Put on a jacket. Chilly means a little cold.
And shoes, of course. I'm wearing my favorite trainers today. Trainers is the British English word for sports shoes. In American English, sneakers.
Trainers, sneakers, same thing. Different country, different word.
Let's say all the words one more time together. T-shirt, shirt, jumper, sweater, trousers, pants, jeans, dress, skirt, jacket, shoes.
Good job. Now let's hear these words in a real conversation.
John, I need your help. I have a job interview tomorrow. What should I wear?
Oh, exciting. For a job interview, you want to look smart. I'd say a nice shirt, some smart trousers, and clean shoes.
What color shirt?
White or light blue. Simple and professional. Avoid bright colors for a formal interview.
What about a dress? I have a lovely navy blue dress.
That sounds perfect. Navy blue is a great color for interviews. Smart, but not too formal.
And a jacket on top?
Yes, a jacket always looks professional. You'll look amazing. Good luck.
Thank you. I feel more confident already. Smart. In British English, smart means well-dressed and professional. You look very smart today. It's not about being intelligent, It's about looking neat and tidy.
Avoid means do not do something. Avoid bright colors. Avoid wearing jeans to a formal event.
Navy blue, a dark shade of blue, like the color of the sea at night. Very elegant and professional.
And confident, when you feel sure about yourself. I feel confident in this outfit. Clothes can really change how you feel.
Let's listen to that dialogue one more time. This time, notice all the clothes words: shirt, trousers, dress, jacket. John, I need your help. I have a job interview tomorrow. What should I wear?
Oh, exciting! For a job interview, you want to look smart. I'd say a nice shirt, some smart trousers, and clean shoes.
What color shirt?
White or light blue. Simple and professional. Avoid bright colors for a formal interview.
What about a dress? I have a lovely navy blue dress.
That sounds perfect. Navy blue is a great color for interviews. Smart, but not too formal.
And a jacket on top?
Yes, a jacket always looks professional. You'll look amazing. Good luck!
Thank you. I feel more confident already.
You're improving already. Let's keep going.
Section 2. Because in English, when you talk about clothes, you always add the color. A red dress, blue jeans, a black jacket. The color comes before the noun.
Let's go through the most important color words.
Red, blue, green, yellow, black, white, gray, brown, pink, purple, orange.
Say those with us. Red, blue, green, yellow, black, white, gray, brown, pink, purple, orange.
Good job! Now, you can also describe the shade. The shade is how light or dark a color is.
Light blue, a pale, soft blue, like a clear sky. She's wearing a light blue cardigan.
Dark green, a deep, rich green. He's wearing a dark green jacket.
Bright yellow, a very strong, vivid yellow. I love my bright yellow raincoat.
And some useful describing words for clothes. Striped, has lines. A striped shirt. Checked, has a checked pattern like a chessboard. A checked jacket. Floral, has flowers. A floral dress. Plain, no pattern, just one color. I prefer plain t-shirts.
And two very useful words, casual and formal. Casual means relaxed and informal. Jeans and a t-shirt are casual. Formal means smart and professional. A suit and tie is formal.
A suit, that's another great word. A suit is a matching jacket and trousers, usually worn for formal occasions. He's wearing a grey suit.
And a tie, the long piece of fabric you wear around your neck with a shirt. He always wears a tie to the office.
Let's hear these words in a dialogue about getting dressed in the morning. Roxy, I can never decide what to wear in the morning. I just stand in front of my wardrobe.
I know that feeling. What are you doing today?
I have a meeting at work in the morning, and then I'm meeting friends for dinner in the evening.
Okay, for the meeting, wear your dark blue trousers and a plain white shirt. Smart but comfortable.
And for dinner?
Just add a casual jacket and change your shoes. Same trousers, new look.
Oh, that's clever. One outfit, two occasions.
Exactly. That's the trick. Choose clothes that work for different situations.
What about you? What are you wearing today?
I'm wearing a floral dress with a light cardigan on top. It's sunny today, so I feel like something bright and happy.
That sounds lovely. You always dress so well, Roxy.
Thank you. Clothes can really change your mood, I think.
I feel like something bright and happy. Feel like here means you want something. I feel like a coffee. I feel like wearing something colorful today.
A cardigan, a soft jumper that opens at the front, usually with buttons. I put a cardigan over my dress when it's a bit cool.
One outfit, two occasions. An outfit is a complete set of clothes. I love this outfit. She has a great outfit today.
And that's the trick. That's the smart way to do it. The secret technique. That's the trick. Layer your clothes so you can adapt to the weather.
Layer. To wear multiple items of clothing on top of each other. Layer up. It's cold outside. Such a useful word for British weather.
Let's listen to that dialogue one more time. Listen for the color words and describing words.
Roxy, I can never decide what to wear in the morning. I just stand in front of my wardrobe.
I know that feeling. What are you doing today?
I have a meeting at work in the morning, and then I'm meeting friends for dinner in the evening.
Okay, for the meeting, wear your dark blue trousers and a plain white shirt. Smart but comfortable.
And for dinner?
Just add a casual jacket and change your shoes. Same trousers, new look.
Oh, that's clever. One outfit, two occasions.
Exactly. That's the trick. Choose clothes that work for different situations.
What about you? What are you wearing today?
I'm wearing a floral dress with a light cardigan on top. It's sunny today, so I feel like something bright and happy.
That sounds lovely. You always dress so well, Roxy.
Thank you. Clothes can really change your mood, I think. Perfect. One final section. Let's talk about accessories.
Section 3. The finishing touches. Accessories are the extra items you add to complete your look.
A scarf. A long piece of fabric you wear around your neck. Great for cold weather. I always wear a scarf in winter.
A hat. Something you wear on your head. He's wearing a woolly hat. Woolly means made of wool, soft and warm.
A bag. You carry things in it. She has a beautiful leather bag. Leather is a material, smooth and strong.
Gloves. You wear these on your hands in cold weather. Don't forget your gloves. It's freezing today.
Sunglasses. Glasses with dark lenses to protect your eyes from the sun. She's wearing stylish sunglasses.
Now, some really useful phrases for talking about clothes.
What are you wearing? The most basic question. What are you wearing to the party? What should I wear today?
I'm wearing, how you answer. I'm wearing jeans and a jumper. I'm wearing a blue dress.
It suits you. This means the item of clothing looks good on you. It matches your style, your body, your personality. Oh, that color really suits you.
It doesn't fit. The size is wrong, too big or too small. I love this jacket, but it doesn't fit. I need a larger size.
It's comfortable. It feels nice to wear. Not too tight, not too loose. These shoes are so comfortable. I could walk all day.
Let's hear our final dialogue, a fun conversation in a clothes shop.
Hello. Can I help you with anything today?
Yes, please. I'm looking for something to wear to a wedding. Smart, but not too formal.
Of course. How about this navy blue jacket with some light gray trousers?
Oh, I like the jacket. Can I try it on?
Absolutely. The fitting room is just over there.
I love the color, but it doesn't fit very well. It's a bit tight across the shoulders.
Let me get you a larger size. Here you go. Try this one.
Oh, yes, this is much better. It's really comfortable, too.
It really suits you. The navy blue looks great with your coloring.
I'll take it. Thank you so much for your help.
My pleasure. You're going to look wonderful at the wedding.
Can I try it on? To try something on means to put a piece of clothing on your body to see if it fits. Can I try this dress on? I'd like to try on these trousers.
Tight across the shoulders. Tight means too small or too close to your body. This shirt is too tight. These shoes are a bit tight.
Your coloring. The natural colors of your skin, hair, and eyes. That shade of blue matches your coloring perfectly.
And I'll take it. This is how you say you want to buy something in a shop. I'll take it. Or, I'll take this one, please.
All right, everyone. Time to wrap up. You have done so well today.
Let's do our final recap. All the clothes and style vocabulary from today.
Clothes. T-shirt. Shirt. Jumper. Sweater. Trousers. Pants. Jeans. Dress. Skirt. Jacket. Shoes. Suit. Tie. Cardigan.
Accessories. Scarf. Hat. Bag. Gloves. Sunglasses.
Colors and patterns. Red, blue, green, black, white, gray, pink, navy blue, light blue, dark green. Striped. Checked. Floral. Plain.
Key phrases. What are you wearing? I'm wearing. It suits you. It doesn't fit. It's comfortable. Can I try it on? I'll take it.
And don't forget, casual versus formal. Smart. Outfit. Layer up. That's the trick.
That is a complete clothes vocabulary toolkit. From your wardrobe to the shop, you are ready.
And here's your challenge for this week. Tomorrow morning, when you get dressed, say what you're wearing in English, out loud.
I'm wearing a white t-shirt and blue jeans. I'm wearing a gray jumper and black trousers. Even one sentence, every morning, it builds the habit.
You are improving already. We mean that. Every episode you listen to, every phrase you repeat, you get stronger. Keep going.
Now, our community question, and this one is really fun.
Tell us in the comments, what is your favorite item of clothing? And what color do you wear the most?
Write it in English. Something like, my favorite item is my blue jeans. I wear them every day. Or, I love my cozy gray jumper. I wear a lot of dark colors.
We read every single comment, and we love seeing your answers from all around the world.
If today was useful, please subscribe to our channel so you never miss a new lesson. And share it with a friend who is learning English. It's always better together.
Thank you so much for being here today. Keep practicing, keep getting dressed in English, and we will see you in the next episode.
Until next time, take care, everyone.
Bye-bye.